in the appellate authority to be approached when the request for permission to sell any property of an aided school is declined. A. Deputy Director. B. Government. C. Director of Public Instruction. D. Additional Director of Public Instruction. Answer B. Government. Which will be the amount of financial guarantee when there is only one upper primary school under the educational agency? A. Rs 1000, B. Rs 1500, C. Rs 2000, D. Rs 2500. Answer B. 1500. The average minimum effective strength of people required for standard for not withdrawing the recognition of a school is A. 15, B. 10, C. 25, D. 20. Answer A. 15. The time limit for submitting application to the district education officer to review his order withdrawing the recognition of a school is A. 3 months, B. 2 months, C. 30 days, D. 15 days. Answer C. 30 days. When an aided primary school is closed down, its records and accounts have to be handed over to A. District Education Officer, B. Director of Public Instruction, C. Deputy Director, D. Assistant Educational Officer. Answer D. Assistant Educational Officer. No child who has not completed 5 years of age as on the first dash of the year of admission shall be admitted to any school. A. May, B. June, C. January, D. December. Answer B. June. Pupils belonging to dash who have failed the SLC examination in their first appearance and who are about 20 years of age may be readmitted to standard 10. A. Scheduled caste, B. Scheduled tribe, C. Both SC and ST, D. Linguistic minorities. Answer B. Scheduled tribes. Academic year shall be deemed to terminate on dash A. The last day of summer vacation, B. The 31st of every March, C. The last day before summer vacation, D. The 31st of every May. Answer C. The last day before summer vacation. In the authority to issue the educational department calendar is A. Government, B. Director SCRT, C. Joint Director of Public Instruction, D. Director. Answer D. Director. A pupil studying in an upper primary school is suffering for 35% deficiency in attendance. The authority competent to condone it is A. District Education Officer, B. Assistant Education Officer, C. Deputy Director, D. Headmaster. Answer B. Assistant Education Officer. Which rule prohibits a pupil who is suffering from any contagious disease from entering into the school premises? A. Sub-Rule 8 to Rule 2, Chapter 9. B. Sub-Rule 3 to Rule 3, Chapter 9. C. Sub-Rule 10 to Rule 2, Chapter 9. D. Sub-Rule 4 to Rule 2, Chapter 9. Answer B. Sub-Rule 3 to Rule 3, Chapter 9. When an education officer found reason to take disciplinary action against an aided school teacher, how much time to be allowed to the manager for the same before proceeding at his own? A. 30 days, B. 2 months, C. Reasonable opportunity, D. 3 months. Answer C. Reasonable opportunity. The name of the record in which enter factual details regarding the teacher's attention to duty and his observation relating to the teacher's work and conduct as a whole at least once in a term of the school year by the headmaster. A. Supervision diary, B. Factual diary, C. Logbook, D. Inspection diary. Answer A. Supervision diary. The authority competent to give permission to make a sale of any property of an aided LP school. A. Assistant Education Officer. B. District Education Officer. C. Deputy Director. D. Director of Public Instruction. Answer B. District Education Officer. Appointment of qualified teachers will be deemed dash till they are confirmed. A. Officiating. B. Probationary. C. Acting. D. Substantive. Answer C. Acting. How long will an aided school teacher be on probation? A. 1 year duty within a continuous period of 2 years. B. 2 years duty within a continuous period of 3 years. C. 1 year continuous duty within a period of 2 years. D. 2 years continuous duty within a period of 3 years. Answer A. 1 year duty within a continuous period of 2 years. How many copies of the appointment order of a teacher shall be forwarded by the manager to the education officer for approval? A. 4, B. 1, C. 3, D. 12. Answer C. 3. The authority competent to condone the delay up to 6 months in the submission of the proposal for approval of appointment of a teacher. A. Director of Public Instruction. B. Government. C. District Education Officer. D. Deputy Director. Answer D. Deputy Director Education. Maximum time that can be taken by the education officer for granting approval to the appointment of a teacher made by the manager is A. 13 days from the date of receipt of the appointment proposal. B. 13 days from the date of effect of the appointment. C. 15 days from the date of effect of the appointment order. D. 45 days from the date of receipt of the appointment proposal. Answer A. 30 days from the date of receipt of the appointment proposal. Appellate authority to which appeal can be preferred against an order declining approval of appointment of a teacher by the assistant education officer. A. Government. B. Deputy Director. C. District Education Officer. D. Director of Public Instruction. Answer C. District Education Officer. The time limit for filing appeal against order declining approval to the appointment of an aided school teacher. A. 15 days from the date of order. B. 15 days from the date of receipt of order. C. 13 days from the date of order. D. 30 days from the date of receipt of order. Answer B. 15 days from the date of receipt of order. The management of an aided school can be taken over by the government for a period not exceeding dash. A. 3 years. B. 1 year. C. 2 years. D. 5 years. Answer D. 5 years. The rule empowering the Director of Public Instruction to call for the records of the orders relating to approval of appointment issued by the subordinate officers and revise the same. A. 8A of chapter 14A. B. 8-5 of chapter 14A. C. 12 of chapter 14A. D. 8 of chapter 14A. Answer A. 8A of chapter 14A. In the authority to which appeal can be submitted against an order of transfer of teachers issued by the manager. A. Assistant Education Officer. B. District Education Officer. C. Deputy Director. D. Director of Public Instruction. Answer D. Director of Public Instruction. In the authorized attesting officer for the entries in part 2nd of the service book of an aided primary school teacher is the A. Educational Officer. B. Manager. C. Headmaster. D. Senior Superintendent, Assistant Education Office. Answer C. Headmaster. The appellate authority to which appeal can be filed against An order issued by an assistant education officer declining approval to the appointment of an aided school manager. A. Director of Public Instruction. B. Deputy Director. C. District Education Officer. D. Government. Answer A. Director of Public Instruction. The time limit for filing appeal against an order declining prior permission for change of management involving change of ownership of an aided school is A. 15 days, B. 14 days, C. 13 days, D. 10 days. Answer C. 30 days. The authority competent to grant prior permission for change of management involving change of ownership of an aided primary school is dash. A. Assistant Education Officer. B. Director of Public Instruction. C. Government. D. District Education Officer. Answer B. Director of Public Instruction. The headmaster has to consult with the dash before granting permission to the students' organization for holding meeting in the school premises. A. Staff Council. B. Assistant Education Officer. C. Director of Public Instruction. D. District Education Officer. Answer A. Staff Council. In the authority competent to approve school sites and plans for the construction of and structural attestation of school building. A. Government. B. Director of Public Instruction. C. Deputy Director. D. District Education Officer. Answer D. District Education Officer. If the education agency has only one primary school, the authority to approve the combined seniority list of teachers will be A. Headmaster. B. Manager. C. District Education Officer. D. Assistant Education Officer. Answer D. Assistant Education Officer. The service book of a teacher shall be provided by A. Manager. B. Headmaster. C. Himself. D. Education Officer. Answer C. Himself or herself. The authorized verifying officer for the entries in part 2 of the service book of an aided high school teacher, A. District Education Officer. B. Personal assistant to the District Education Officer. C. Headmaster. D. Manager. Answer A. District Education Officer.